Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Riskawati Pomolango, with name 4424200003, from class chemistry 2020. Today, I will present a video about inorganic chemistry practicum and detail synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Objective: study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Literature review. Calcium carbonate are one of the most abundant minerals in the earth's crust. They occur in the form of limestone and chalks formed from fossils, and marble formed from the metamorphosis of sedimentary rock. The production of calcinite, plaster, and gypsum binder is based on the ability of gypsum to release water when heated, according to the following reaction. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scales and is also called gypsum. Like is can form ether as a result of mixing dissimilar water of naturally as a result of changes in the temperature as the water travels from the subsurface to the surface treating facility. Experimental tools and materials tools, evaporation cup, drop pipette, Erlenmeyer CF, beaker glass, um, spray bottle, stirring rod, mortar and pestle, spatula, watch glass, test tube, measuring cup, reagent bottle, filter jar, analytic balance, desiccator, vacuum oven, foam hot. Materials: one sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, potassium thiocyanate, sodium carbonate, sodium oxalate, limestone, and aqueous. Discussion: Pondent as much as 2 grams of limestone. Limestone has a goal of being vaporized at 9100 degree temperatures, because the size of the particle radius can affect the velocity of evaporation. By reducing the limestone particles, the heat given to vaporize the limestone can be reduced because it travels faster to the nucleus of smaller particles than larger ones, so that times it would take to vaporize the particles available would be quicker. Warming at 900 degree temperature for 1 hour intended to vaporize carbon dioxide compound in limestone, so that the solvent that remain are calcium monoxide solvent. After leaving the furnace, the limestone powder is put in a desiccator to cool quickly. To continue the procedure, the heating process at 900 derajat before remaining a solid form. The cold limestone powder is mixed with hydrochloric acid and distilled water, 25 ml hydrochloric acid and 9 and 15 ml aqueous. This process is carried out for 15 and minutes while steering to accelerate, accelerate between particles so that faster reach the distilled water and hydrochloric acid passing in the powder serves as a cleaner, where this clean impurity that when calcium oxide is reacted with reagent it can react perfectly. Then refilter with deposit the form next wake the wild deposit that is formed result in the wake of the sediment 1.0167 grams. Then the last one was dissolving synthesis solid by 10 ml of nitric acid, 1 mole, and the result of the reaction product continuously eject small bubbles and small weight deposit. The solid of calcium sulfate in are very slow. This is because the acidic nature of make the solve to react according to H1. The resulting product result in white deposit and the presence of bubble that result from reaction. Conclusion: limestone is one of the principal sources in the manufacture of calcium sulfate. Since limestone has a high calcium content, the deposit obtained from limestone at this time of the trial is 1.0167 grams, whereas the quilized deposit were made cleaner with sulfuric acid. There were white deposit and color changed into pink, which at the time in were injected with nitric acid and sodium carbonate formed white deposit, and there was a bubble of gas. Deposit weight obtained by 15.835% and deposit gained 14.741 to 1%. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.